All right, quickly moving on to another breaking update. What we're getting to in a big step towards strengthening military ties with the US. The Indian Defence Ministry is going to take up the case for the acquisition of at least 30 Predator drones that are worth over 20,000 crores for the three defence forces at the high-level meeting scheduled to be held today. Straight away, going across to a live update from my colleague Shivani. Good afternoon to you, Shivani. Help us understand what are these drones, what is its significance, and if its acquisition is cleared, how will it be helping our defence forces?
Amita, see, India has already been negotiating with the United States for these American Predator drones. 30 of them have to be acquired from America and the deal would be worth 20,000 crore rupees. If we understand about these Predator drones, they will be for all the three services, Army, Navy and Air Force. Navy had already taken 2 of these drones on lease last year in November, and it's been operating with these drones that are used for surveillance and even for targeting the threats in the Indian Ocean region. It has already been deployed. So today what's happening is that the whole matter is being taken up in a very important meeting, and after the nod is given today, it will be put forth to the Defence Acquisition Council meet, and when the Defence Acquisition Council meet clears this, it will further go to the Cabinet Council for Security, and after the green signal, the acquirement will move ahead. So enhancing the surveillance and the targeting capabilities of all the three services, Army, Navy and Air Force. So if we talk about these 30 Predator drones, all the services will get 10 each if this deal is done. So last 2 years, the negotiations are still on, and the government is pushing it for the early procurement of these Predator drones, and especially the Navy, which had already acquired 2 of these drones last year, has been the leader in this particular negotiation because it knows how it works, and especially in the Indian Ocean region, Amita, where we've seen the Chinese threat needs to be countered in terms of the submarines, in terms of the ships, merchant vessels. So very soon the whole negotiation might be completed, and
Shivani,
India
just stay
might
on with us. Let's get an expert's opinion on this. Wing Commander Praful Bakshi sir is with us on the phone line. Sir, good afternoon to you. How are you looking at this latest acquisition, if clear, 30 Predator drones by the US to India worth over 20,000 crores?
That is sounds like a music to my ear, because we were waiting for a long time for these. Then we have to are not only surveillance but launching. That is major thing.
Bakshi sir, I'm afraid we are unable to hear you clearly. We'll just quickly reconnect that line with you. But if I can come back to Shivani. Shivani, we are told that a high-level meeting will be taking place. Can you give us more information on that?
Yes, Amita. In fact, today this meeting is scheduled to take place, where the Defence Secretary, Mr. Ajay Kumar, will be heading the meeting, where he'll be taking this matter ahead. And after the meeting clears this project, it will further be taken to the Defence Acquisitions Council. We know that the Defence Acquisition Council in last few months have given special powers to the Indian Navy, Army and Air Force for the procurements. And under these powers only, the Indian Navy had taken these American Predator drones on lease that have already been deployed in the Indian Ocean region, and the results and the requirements are such that further for 30 Predator drones the deals need to be done, and the process is on. So the discussions are going on with the experts and with the ministry. Post these discussions and whatever comes out in this meeting, the whole deal can be pushed further with good speed, so that very soon we can get these Predators. And if we talk about the endurance, Amita, these Predator drones are light in weight. They have an endurance of 30 hours. So they can be non-stop mobilized for 30 hours. They can be used for surveillance in across the borders by Army, Navy as well as Air Force. And there is a need of such kind of drones. And not only America, Amita, with Israel also, India is trying to negotiate and get such kind of drones which will enhance the surveillance capabilities of the Indian Defence Forces. So as of now, what we are learning is that an important, a very crucial meeting in which this negotiation with the United States for 30 American Predator drones worth 20,000 crores is to be taken up. And once it gives its nod today, the case will further move ahead to Defence Acquisition Council.
Shivani,
and after
just
that,
on with us, Colonel Shailendra Singh is with us on the phone line. Sir, good afternoon to you. We are getting to know that India and US have been negotiating this deal for more than 2 years now, and it is set to be in its final stages. Can you help us understand the significance, sir?
Oh, yes. I think we have been discussing with US about the Predators, for which the US is very possessive about, and Predator being a very state-of-art equipment. I think the US has been a little hesitant to give it to us early. My take on this is that there is nothing better that we develop our own drones, but that will take time, and this time gap has to be covered up with best of the weaponry available, best of the drones available, because the way threat is emerging from both the sides of Pakistan as well as China, I think it is high time that early decision making and very fast procurement needs to be done, because all the three forces need it, and if not given in time, it will be useless.